Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the oil pressure sensor in this 2013 Dodge Caravan. Here we go. This is Dodge Caravan and the oil pressure sensor located piece. It has a 4 bolt. As a matter of fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolt. You have to remove this bolt, and the sensor is located underneath. So there is two sensor. One is temperature sensor, which is this one, but the oil pressure sensor is underneath, right there. I'm gonna bring the light. Okay, you can see clearly. So you guys see where my finger is right there. This is the sensor, and you gotta take the intake out. Underneath the intake there is a sensor. So that's the sensor. Just unplug it and put a socket on it and remove it. Thank you.